Hi, my name is Dr. Schwarze from Germany, and I'm the inventor of these orthodontic punches, which are very useful for the Invisalign treatment and also for any other aligner technique. Aligner orthodontics are developing really fast, and our aim is to improve this technique. We want to adopt the technique to the abilities of fixed appliances, so we have to be aware that also class 2 or class 3 corrections are possible with aligners. For that reason I invented these pliers. I will show you right now how to use them. There are 3 different punches called the slot machine, the gun 1 and the gun 2. And how we have to use them I will show you now. The slot machine can be used for class 2 or class 3 corrections. It's very necessary to punch the whole aligner completely. For class 2 corrections, it's necessary to cut the aligner mesially of the upper canine and distally of the lower first molar. For class 3 corrections, it's the opposite. There you cut the lower canine mesially and the upper molar distally. After the cuts, you just simply put in the elastics and connect both cuts together. After both arches are connected with the elastic, the patients put both aligners together in the mouth. Sometimes also aligners are affecting the soft tissues of the patients, and the easiest way to cut these aligner borders is to use the gun. With the gun punches you can cut aligners, for example where you're using buttons. And the only difference between gun 1 and gun 2 is the diameter of the cut and the easiness of the cutting. The gun 2 cuts smaller and easier. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you have lots of fun with my punches.